Intel report, Red Sea maritime security incident. Subject, Houthi drone attacks on commercial shipping in the Red Sea. Attack details, attackers, Yemen's Houthi movement. Targets, 2 commercial ships, MSC Clara and Swan Atlantic, attacked with naval drones. Motivation, linked to Israel's military campaign in Gaza. Houthi statement, attacks are a response to Israel's actions. Impact on trade, trade route. Affected, the Red Sea is a crucial global trade route. Consequences, raised concerns over the safety of maritime commerce, increased insurance costs, and rerouting of ships. International response, shipping companies. Major freight firms, including MSC, are avoiding the Suez Canal and the Red Sea. Insurers, London's insurance market is expanding in high-risk areas in the Red Sea. Geopolitical implications, economic impact, potential disruptions in global trade. Security concerns, increased risk for maritime activities in the region. Diplomatic efforts, Houthis, open to Oman-mediated talks, possible de-escalation. U.S. initiative, forming a coalition for Red Sea security. Recommendations, monitor developments in Houthi activities and regional diplomatic efforts. Assess potential impacts on global trade and maritime insurance markets. Advise clients with interests in the region on heightened security measures. End of report.